Let's have fun in numbers time today. Class, stand. Clappers up. Ooh, I like that already. Boys and girls watching, you get your clappers up. Clap with me. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. Just like me. Say it with me. Pound with me. 1, 2, 3. Pound, pound, pound. Just like me. Are you ready? Rub with me. 1, 2, 3. Rub, rub, rub. Just like me. Get your snappers out. Snap with me. 1, 2, 3. Snap, snap, snap. Just like me. Sit down. Get your twinkle stars ready. Here we go. Fold with me. 1, 2, 3. Fold, fold, fold. Just like me. I am so excited today, boys and girls. Amber Lamb came to school, and now one of her friends came to school. Oh, but you got to sit up straight and tall. You got to show him you are ready, Joseph, to see who came to school today. Sit down. The boys and girls watching are waiting patiently. They're excited to see. Look who came to school today. Button Bear has come to school, come to school, come to school. Button Bear has come to school to teach us a new number. Whenever Button comes to school, he brings numbers to school. And today, we get to do some numbers at Big School. Class, stand, and let's sing about Button. Button Bear has come to school, come to school, come to school. Button Bear has come to school to bring us our new number. Excellent job. Sit down. We used our clappers a little bit ago to do our clap with me 1, 2, 3. But do you know we could do more clapping in Big School? Class, stand. Oh, clap, sit down. Class, sit down. Mrs. Stewart will have to do it first, and then I will show you because we weren't all ready. So sit up straight and tall, bottom on your bottom, back on your back, hands in your lap, and I'm going to show you first, and then I think you'll be ready then. Boys and girls watching, I know you jumped up so fast. I'm going to do it first, and then it'll be your turn. Watch me. I'm going to get my clappers ready. These are my clappers, but you're going to put your clappers right here in your lap. My clappers are going to do it first. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think you could do that with me. Let's see if everybody could stand this time. Class, stand. Ooh, Luke, you were just as fast as the boys and girls that were watching. Way to go. Clappers up. Oh, clappers down. Our clappers have to go up quietly. Clappers up. Joseph, stand and get your clappers. Good. Here we go. We're going to clap to 10. What number are we going to clap to?
10.
10. I'm standing straight and tall with my clappers right up here. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Put your clappers down. Let's do it again. Clappers up.
What?
Clappers down. Oh, I didn't say sit down. I said clappers down. Clappers up. Let's practice. Clappers down. Oh, they're so quiet. Way to go. Clappers up. Clappers down. Clappers up. Clapping to 10. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do winky blinkies. Oh, I love your winky blinkies. Everybody, even the boys and girls watching, brought their winky blinkies. You may be seated. Thank you. Do you see over here, Button Bear brought us our number chart right here? It is so fun, and he brought us some friends. There's turtles and owls and mice and all kinds of fun things. Look at this chart. I'm going to do it for you first. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's so easy. I think everybody could do that with me. Class, stand. Wow, Angelina, you did that as fast as the girls watching. Way to go. Do it with me. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. the back, everybody. Now stand up straight and tall. Let's do something else fun with our chart. This is our numbers chart. What is this called? Number chart. Our numbers chart. Oh, but you have to stand up so straight and tall with this chart. Because do you see Button Bear? Even though he's splashing in the puddles, he wants you to stand up straight and tall. And maybe we'll get to splash in the puddles, Joseph, in just a minute. Look at this turtle right here. Count the turtle, begin. 1. How many turtles was there? 1. Luke, how many turtles was there? 1. And there's a number 1 right by it. Let's count the owls, begin. 1, 2. And what number's next to it? 2. Oh, stand up straight and tall, Jonathan. Here we go. Let's count these little weasels. Begin. 1, 2, 3. And what number is that? 3. You may be seated. Wow. Numbers is so much fun. I love to learn my numbers. Look at number 1. Number 1 is a slanted stick. What does number 1 look like? A slanted stick. Number 2 looks like a swan to me. Number 2, Jonathan, look at number 2. He curves around and down into the water and his little tail sticks out. And number 3 is so fun. Number 3 is a half a ball and a half a ball. Do that with me. A half a ball and a half a ball. Class, stand. Oh, class, sit down. I don't know, Button Bear, if we're going to get to stomp in the puddles today. Class, stand. Luke wants to stomp in puddles. If he will stand straight and tall, maybe we'll get to do that. Here we go. Do it with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I think maybe we could splash in the puddles. Let's try it. Are you ready? Let's sing our raindrop song one more time, and then since it's going to rain, then I'm going to show you how we splash in the puddles. Let's sing our raindrop song one more time. Get out your raindrops. Here we go. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. I wouldn't mind if the sun never shined, 'cause I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, saying all the time. Excellent job. Now, is it all wet? Get all the wet off. Twist around, shake it all off. Okay, now stand up straight and tall. Watch how we're going to splash in the puddles. We're going to use 1 foot, and we're going to splash 3 times. Watch me. I'm going to do it first. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm all wet now. Are you ready? It's your turn, boys and girls watching. You get your rain boots on and you splash with us. Here we go. Put your rain boots on because we don't want to get all wet. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? How many times are we going to splash? 3. Here we go. Begin. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Let's do it 2 times. How many times are we going to splash? 2. So we have to stop at 2. Begin. 1, 2. Excellent job. You may be seated. Now, Button Bear, he loves something very special that he likes to play with. Maybe you have a favorite toy at your house. Maybe, girls, it's a dolly. Maybe, boys watching, it's a favorite truck or a car that you like to play with. Well, look what Button likes. He's got it in his pocket. He has buttons. That's why he's called Button Bear. He loves to play with buttons. Let's look at his buttons that he brought today. Count with me. Begin. 1, 2, 3. 3. He has 3 buttons. Let me show you something else that is super fun. He also brought some numbers with him. Look at this one right here. This one is what number, class? 1. 1, because it's a slanted stick. Why is this a number 1? Because it's a what? A slanted stick. Let's see who could come find me one of Button Bear's buttons. Connor, come get me one Button Bear button. Let's see, just one. Oh, what color is that?
Blue.
Blue, we're learning our colors. Blue, he found me one button bear button. Let me take this one down. Let's see what other number he brought me. This one right here. Oh, I'm going to ask the boys and girls who are watching. Boys and girls watching, I want to see what boy and girl over here that's sitting up straight and tall that I could pick in just a minute. The boys and girls watching, tell me what number that is. Just the boys and girls that are watching. Wow, way to go. And if you have some buttons there, you can play with that too. Let's see. I need 2 of Button Bear's buttons. Johanna, you are working so hard. Will you come find me 2 of Button Bear's buttons? Hand me 2 of them. Let's see. Let's see if she got me 2. Count with me, boys and girls.
1, 2.
Wow. And what color is this one?
Yellow.
And what color is this one?
Red.
Oh, it's kind of red, like a reddish pink. So those are colors that we're learning. Way to go. But he brought me another number. Oh, but I can't show you. You have to be sitting up straight and tall. You have to be ready to see. The boys and girls watching are ready to see. Elijah, are you ready like the boys and girls watching? Joseph, what number is that? Stan, tell me. It is 3. William, will you come and get me 3? Let's see if you can find me 3 buttons. Oh, that's okay. Count with me, boys and girls. 1, 2. Wow, I love Button Bear's buttons to play with. That is so much fun. Class, stand. Way to go. I want you to get out your twinkle stars. Here we go, begin. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Reach up high, grab those twinkle stars, put them right here in your lap. You may be seated. Hold them really tight. Oh, Kayla has hers really tight. Now, we're going to play another fun game that Button brought today. Button brought me some shapes and some fun things. So let's look right here. We just sang about the twinkle stars. Think in your brain how many I'm putting up here. Oh, think in your brain. That means our brain doesn't talk. Now, everybody, even the boys and girls watching, I want you to count with me. Begin.
1, 2, 3.
Now this time, I want to see who could come find me the right number. Come find me the right number. Carter, can you find the right number? I have all my numbers right here. Find me the number 3. Oh, walk like a gentleman up here next time, please. Okay, put it up here. Let's see if he's right. Let's see. Did he get me the right number? If he did, this means yes. This is sign language, like when we do our vowels. Show me, this means yes. So if I said, did he get me the right number? Show me. He did. How do I know this is a 3? Because it's a what? It's a half a ball and a... Wow, we are working so hard today. Give yourself a silent cheer, boys and girls watching. Oh, stop. Remember, silent cheers don't talk. Good job, hands your lap. Let's see if I can find another thing. How about, we learned about the shape in our last lesson when we saw Button Bear peeking out from our paper. Think in your brain. I'm going to call on 2 helpers. Boys and girls watching, I know you probably already know how many are there. Oh, I'm asking the boys and girls watching. Yes, they're thinking in their brain. Connor, how many?
2.
Stand and tell me.
2.
2, great job. Bethany, can you come find me the number 2? Let me get all of our numbers the right way. There you go. Okay, find me the number 2. I think she might have found it. Let's see. Oh, you know why I could pick her? Because her feet were in front of her and her hands were in her lap. That's why I could pick her. Did you get it? I'll put it up high so everybody could see it. Let's see. Did she find me the right number? Show me. Oh, I like how you used your sign language. Good job, boys and girls watching. Right here, too. Let's count. Let's see if she got me 2. Begin. 1, 2. And what kind of shape is this? I'm going to ask Jonathan Stan. It's a blue. It's not a circle, so it's a...
That's my favorite color.
I'm so glad blue's your favorite color. God made the color blue. What kind of shape is that? It's not a circle, it's a...
Square.
It is. It's a square. We are learning our shapes and our colors. We are doing such a great job. Well, let's look over here to Button Bear. He has got some raindrops right here. Let's count our raindrops. Count them with me, boys and girls. Begin. 1, 2. And what number is this? 2. Good job. Class, stand. Oh, quickly. Count this raindrop. Begin. 1. And what number is this? 1. And let's count these raindrops. Begin. 1, 2, 3. Oh, make sure you stay with the teacher. Let's try that again. Begin. 1, 2, 3. And what number is this? 3. I love this. And you know what? I like when boys and girls sound like one voice. Can we try that and make it sound like one voice, Jonathan? Let's sound like one voice. Boys and girls watching, you're sounding like one voice. Begin. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Get out those raindrops one more time and let's sing about those raindrops. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. I wouldn't mind if the sun never shined, 'cause I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide singing all the time. Catch the raindrops, sit down, put them right here in your lap. Excellent job. Let's have the girls stand. Girls and girls watching, you stand. I want you to do our new chart with me. Begin. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was pretty good. Pat yourself in the back. Girls watching, pat yourself in the back. You may be seated. Boys stand. Whoa. Boys, show me your muscles. Boys watching, I think the boys are going to do a better job than those girls did. Let's see. Boys, you do it. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7,
8, 9.
10.
Excellent job, boys. Remember when we do a high five one time, begin. That was amazing. You may be seated. Boys watching, you can do high five as well and muscles because the boys are doing their very best job. I love it. If it's a number 1, it's a what? A slanted stick. Do it with me. A slanted stick. And if it's a number 3, it's a half a ball and a half a ball. We are learning our numbers, and number 2 looks like a swan with his tail sticking out. I can't wait to learn more numbers in our next lesson.